Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the new Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I'm going to be setting that up with the new Armorbox from iBlason. This is one of the best protective phone cases you can get out there. And I also installed the Whitestone dome glass protector on my phone already. You can see how beautiful a fit it is. It was a very nice, easy installation. I love the camera cutout right here, how smooth the glass is, works great with the fingerprint sensor, and we're going to be putting that into the new iBlason Armorbox. When you do get your Armorbox right here, all you have to do is take the side right here, pull it down, because this comes in two pieces right here. Just like that, put your fingers in there and separate that, pull that out, and then there's a little styrofoam right here. You take that out right here. This does come with a built-in screen protector right here, but that is plastic. I like the Whitestone dome glass protector better. It has that tempered glass. Been using this for years and wouldn't want anything else. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to take this off. You're going to have to use a hair dryer. I'm using my wife's because I don't have any hair. And we're going to take that off, and then we'll install this phone into this awesome phone case, and I'll show you all the cool features that it has. All right, let me go ahead and take this part off. As you can see, it was pretty easy to use the hair dryer and take out that plastic film on the iBlason there. And now I'm all set up to install this. So right here, I'm going to line up the buttons with these holes right here. And just kind of keep my finger down on this side here. And now on this side, I'm going to bring this out a little bit. And this is the part where you got to be really careful, because if you do this too sloppy or too quick, you can take off the Whitestone dome glass protector. So just come out a little bit. There you go. Bring it down, just work along the sides. Just like that. All right, nice fit. You can see all around the side here that the glass is not touching the plastic part. Has plenty of room. Beautiful. All right, let me go ahead and put this into the bottom part here, and you're going to stick it in just like this first, the top part there. Slide that down, push it in, and then I'm going to turn this around and just kind of have to walk this up just by pressing down here, and then I'm just going to push this down into the rubber part. And I'm going to do both sides, just like that. And now on the bottom part, pull that down, make sure the rubber part is up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and just make sure it's all secure. Looks great. You know, I am loving this case. I'll tell you the reason why I love this case. There's quite a few reasons. This right here, this door, this protects the camera lens. So that when you're walking around, if you're doing some outdoor activities, you don't take a chance to scratch those lenses. So you can just close that right here, and it protects the camera lenses. This also acts as a kickstand, so you can have this on the counter, maybe horizontal or vertical. And if you don't want to use that, you can always just keep this open. You'll notice that there's a nice high beveled edge all around here to protect those camera lens. There's also a nice beveled edge around the front of this case right here. So if you were to set this on the counter or something like that and move it around, you're not going to scratch the lens. I love the high bumpers right here. So if you were to drop this, added protection. I like the fact that it just goes all around here. And it's a non-slip grip. I really like the feel of this rubber here. And then you got a high solid protection right here. Look at this ring right here. That is a MagSafe compatible. So if you have something in your car that will hold your phone like that, boom, there you go. I mean, it connects it really good. I just love all the added protection. I love the color. These come in quite a few different colors, so check that out on the website. And the combination with the Whitestone dome glass protector with the iBlason Armorbox, You can't get anything better, in my opinion, to protect your phone. This also has a nice little slot right here for a lanyard. It's very easy to take out the pin tool if you want to. So I can snap that in just like that. And if once I want the pin tool, take it out, and then it's easy to take out. Very nice. I like it. I also like on the bottom here that it protects this port right here. Nice protection here. And like I said, all around the side here, that added bumper. You know, this is a very beefy, I love it. Just like, I don't know, just very armor box, I guess you could say. Totally going to protect your phone. Hey, I would not put anything else on my phones. I've been using the same combination for many, many years and been very satisfied with it. Thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you hit that likey button, the subscribe button, and like always, have a fun day out there. All right, adios, goodbye.